Hey everyone, welcome back. If a recent transaction is not showing in your BNZ app or internet banking, here's what to do. First, refresh your app by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen. Look for BNZ, swipe it away, completely closing it, then wait for a few while and reopen it. Then check your internet connection and ensure the app is syncing properly. Then make sure you're viewing the correct account, especially if you have multiple accounts. Some transactions appear as pending first before becoming finalized. Give a few minutes and if the payment was recent. For card payments, the merchants may not process the transactions immediately, so it might not show instantly. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for BNZ Mobile, and update the app to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have proper syncing, so update it. If the transactions still do not appear, after some time, contact BNZ support for clarification. That's how to fix the BNZ transactions not working. Subscribe for more quick fixes.